Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Friday afternoon. I'm out here in the shop working on. This is the case for. It's going to be for a tall walnut dresser that we talked about, and some of the other ones that we put up. Right now, we're about to fit up the back panel. This is going to get a 1/2 inch Baltic birch back panel, and I know a lot of you guys do these and use your tape measures and different things, but I don't see a lot of people talking about the old way of doing these anymore. It's the story stick, right? I can measure this and get the 16th and all that, or I can just put this up here. Now, when I do it, I use this. This is just a drill stop collar. It's about the right thickness for this joint. So I'll lay that there to hold this end up flat, butt it up right against the end of the case where the piece is gonna go in right here. And then all I have to do right here is just mark where that's gonna hit on the edge of that case right there. And that's all I need to do. I don't need to measure anything. So in just a second, I'm gonna show you how we set up the saw to cut that. But I didn't measure anything. I didn't have to do any math. I learned this years ago. I was working on the Surfrider Hotel in Huntington Beach, California. And that was about $100 million project. And the guys that were doing the woodworking there, putting in the cabinets, and everything was Ipe. It was gorgeous. But when they were doing the counters and building the bar, they weren't measuring anything. The old guys were using these sticks. And I don't ever talk to them about it. It's a long time ago, so I was still learning a lot of stuff. And they explained to me that it takes the guesswork out of everything. That's exactly the distance I need for where the rabbet is on this case. So I'll take this over to the table saw in a second and show you guys how I set it up, and that's just kind of how it gets done. Okay, so just marked it on the case, the story stick. So you can't really see it right now. I'll post a picture of this, but I can place the line where I marked it, the exact width of the opening on that rabbet on that case, right to the inside of my blade right here. And then to set the distance to rip my sheet down, I just bring my fence over to barely touch that, lock it down. And now my saw is set up to rip down that 1/2 inch Baltic birch plywood, the perfect width for this case. And then I'll do the same thing for the length of it. And that eliminates me having to do any kind of math, think about any kind of measurement, count 30 seconds, 16ths, any of that kind of stuff. Just put it up there, it's dead reckoning, it's right on, and there's no measurement, no math, none of that. So that's how I do it. It saves me a lot of time, and it makes my work a lot more accurate. And again, that's something I learned from some old timers years ago when I was on a job back in the day. So hopefully that helps some of you guys. Let me know what you guys like to do in the comments, and I'll talk to you later.